Big thank you to our sponsor crypto exchange BITUNIX. Check them out by using the link in the description below. We do have big macro events going on. If you guys don't know, we do have a U.S. government shutdown happening. So we are expecting a lot of volatility. And with a government shutdown happening, it does sound like a lot of people are bearish. So let's talk about the markets. We do have Satoshi Nakamoto still, even after 16 years, not moving a single dollar. But we do have Satoshi Nakamoto holding $128 billion worth of Bitcoin. So Satoshi Nakamoto can easily crash the price. And yesterday, we also had one of the biggest macro events for Ripple, and that is David Schwartz stepping down as CTO and instead becoming a Ripple board member. And guys, ever since we had David Schwartz stepping down as CTO, we had the price of XRP moving up. So guys, with David Schwartz stepping down, is this the flip of the switch? Is David Schwartz the flip of the switch, right? Taking a look at the charts, cryptos are moving back up. Bitcoin at $117,000. We do have a mini breakout coming in for XRP as well. And as we talked about in the last video, we had a buy signal for XRP, so as long as XRP stayed above the green line, we were still expecting the price of XRP to move up, and now XRP is moving up after a bearish day yesterday. So great to see, and all we're waiting for is the MACD to turn green, the crossover, and that's when we'll be buying even more XRP. So right now, things are looking bullish. Again, guys, nice price increase, right? A nice around 12% jump with David Schwartz leaving. And we do have XLM, XPR, on No Finance, all pumping as well. And ultimately, we are waiting for the breakout above this trend line. And guys, once that happens, we could see a new all-time high coming in for XRP next. Now, we have another inverse Cramer activating. We had Jim Cramer says, investors should not worry about a U.S. government shutdown. And guys, guess what happened? We had the U.S. government officially shutting down. So this is more confirmation of inverse Cramer actually being a valid indicator. And we do have from Echo the Truth. He says, Dear Mr. President, while the government is shut down and unnecessary spending is being eliminated, this would be the perfect time to also eliminate capital gain taxes on American crypto. Hopefully that happens, right? We do have empowering innovation, reward responsible investors, and give everyday Americans a fair shot at building wealth in the new digital economy. And we do have hints of Donald Trump ushering in 0% tax to U.S. cryptocurrencies such as XRP. And we do have from Donald Trump on a government shutdown. He says, when you shut it down, we will be laying off a lot of people, and they're going to be Democrats. And with the Democrats voting for a government shutdown, right? So this is quite ironic, right? We have the Democrats voting for their own demise. And lastly, we do have confirmation from Ripple's CEO. And guys, that is even if Ripple goes down, even if David Schwartz, Brad Garlinghouse, or Monica Long, even if they leave, XRP can still function without them. And so far, we had big Ripple members such as David Schwartz, Naveen Gupta, Karen Gifford, and many more leaving the team. So guys, don't be surprised if we see Ripple CEO stepping down as well. And guys, the question is, who will be the next CTO?
Financial institutions. And then separately, there's people who own XRP. And those are two separate things. I've made the point that, if Ripple, the company, went away, XRP would keep trading.
Right.
There's 100 exchanges around the world trading XRP these days. There's, I think today there's somewhere around $800 or $900 million of global liquidity. And those are two separate things I think in the past have been conflated.
Well, I have a two-part
financial institution.
That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.